Check out this tastefully renovated third-floor corner unit in Meridian Cove. One of the largest floor plans in the complex. Open concept kitchen and living area with lots of windows. 2 spacious bedrooms plus den. Master bedroom has a walk-through closet and 4 PC. Ensuite. Versatile den could be used as a craft room or office space. Lovely north-facing balcony. New kitchen with granite countertops, new vinyl plank and carpet, new fixtures, and new paint, baseboards and trim. Ensuite laundry and heated underground parking complete the package. Conveniently located within walking distance to shopping, school and parks.